Meet my deepest friend down in the shallow well before the strange rain fell for tomorrow. They offered nothing but lessons in floating goodbye the summer of unseen believing in wet hair, blondes and brunettes, man, wet hair stuck to my ceiling. Wet hair, snakes down the backs, man, wet hair, it's got me feeling. Out from the arms of a random half-life, right into the charms of a plummeting jackknife, with autumn's distant drum in automatic time, inspired by the weeks, hoist hands of neon signs, red hair, blonde stuck to my ceiling. Wet hair, snakes down the backs, man. Wet hair's got me feeling.
Did you guys have fun? No.
No.
What was the best part?